Good morning, students. Today we will learn the classification of numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to classify numbers as By the end of this lesson, you will be able to classify numbers as whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, prime numbers, and composite numbers. However, these concepts are not new for you. You might have heard of these numbers before, but we will just review all of them stepwise. First of all, we will begin with the natural numbers. This is the symbol which is used for natural number. Natural numbers are the numbers which are normally called as counting numbers. They begin from 1, 2, 3, 4 and they keep on continuing. Okay, we also call them counting numbers. Natural numbers don't include 0 and nor the negative numbers, neither the decimal numbers nor the fraction. Natural numbers start from 1 and they keep on continuing. Okay, so next is the whole number. Whole numbers are the numbers which include all the natural numbers. Whole number is represented by the symbol W. The only difference between natural and whole number is that in whole number there is 0 is also added, which is not a natural number. So whole numbers begin from 0 and they keep on continuing. So we can simply say that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. This is because of 0, because 0 is not a natural number. This is the only difference between natural and whole numbers. Okay, now let's move towards integers. Integers are also not new for you. The difference between integers and natural and whole number is that integers include all the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and keep on continuing. But with the whole numbers, they also include the negative numbers. Integers are represented by the word Z. So integers are numbers which have positive 0 and the negative numbers as well. But they don't include the decimal numbers, neither the fractions. Okay, so now we can say that all natural numbers and whole numbers are integers, but all integers are not natural numbers or whole number because of the negative numbers which are not considered as integers or natural numbers or whole numbers. Okay, so we have done whole numbers. Whole numbers are all the numbers which begin with 0 and keep on moving like 0, 1, 2, 3 and they keep on continuing. Whereas natural numbers are the numbers which include all the whole numbers except 0. Integers are the numbers which are positive and negative including 0. Now we are left with prime and composite number. So now let's learn about prime and composite numbers. Natural numbers basically are divided into prime and composite number. So prime and composite numbers are a part of natural number. Yes, prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. Those two factors are 1 and itself. We can take the example of a number. For example, if we consider 3. 3 can be divided by only two numbers. There are only two factors of 3, 1 or 3, or in other words you can say that 3 is a multiple of only 1 and itself. But if we take another example, let's say 8. 8 is a multiple of 1, 2, 4 and itself. So 8 can't be a prime number as it has more than two factors. So 8 is not a prime number, whereas 8 is a composite number. Any number which has more than two factors are composite numbers. I hope you have understood the difference between prime numbers and composite number. To identify prime numbers and composite numbers, you need to be very quick in your timetables and you need to recall, revise the divisibility rules on daily basis so you can identify prime number and composite number. Let's talk about number 1 now. Yes, is number 1 a prime number? Does it have two factors? Number 1 only comes in the table of 1. So it has only one factor. It is not a prime number. Okay, is it a composite number? Does it have more than two factors? No, it does not have more than two factors. So number one is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So all natural numbers except number one can be divided into prime numbers and composite numbers. I hope you have understood the classification of numbers. Thank you.